Hello everyone, this is a Geek Must Have with another episode of working with Ubuntu 17.10 Aardvark. This particular episode will be how to install Visual Studio Code as a text editor. The Visual Studio Code editor has become one of my favorite editors because of the number of extensions that are available for it to be able to handle most programming environments, assistance with how to do APIs, and even help you to write documentation better. We will install the Visual Studio Code editor by starting out with the Chrome browser, which was installed in a previous video. Having Chrome open up. And we'll search for Visual Studio Code. And here's the page for the Visual Studio Code. We'll open that up, and it already knows that this is a Linux machine, and we want the Debian install. So now it's downloading 41 megabytes of Debian code. Now it's been downloaded, and we'll click on the keep. And there it is, been saved. Now all we need to do is click on that to start it up, and the Debian package installer should take over. It says Ubuntu software is ready. The item you need to click is at the top of the page, kind of hidden away. So I'll click on the install button to begin the process, and a pop-up window asking for my password appears. And now it's been installed. And we should be able to see it by clicking on Show Applications and typing in code. And when you type in code, there is the Visual Studio Code editor. We'll open it up. Let's see, File, New File. I can start typing in. This is a PowerShell script. Clear host. Write host. And when we save this, let's see, we want to save it as a hello PowerShell 1 extension. And it knows automatically. One of the things I like about Visual Studio Code is it knows that you're using PowerShell. It highlights the text for context. So I'll give you some recommendations. So here's a PowerShell extension that will help you to use PowerShell better. So you click on it. It's installing. And now it'll ask us to reload. And I will say reload the window. And now the extension that Microsoft has put together to help develop PowerShell scripts are out there, which includes an integrated PowerShell console, as well as Intellisense. So there's the Intellisense. Help you type things in quicker. And as you go from language to language to language, you can add more extensions. Now we can actually run this script in the terminal window below. And there it is, showing the integrated PowerShell terminal and the Visual Studio Code all working under Ubuntu 17.10. This concludes the video in showing you how to install Visual Studio Code under Ubuntu 17.10. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe and have a good one.